Now, today's top stories and Power of 5 weather from News 5. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.
Good morning, I'm Danita Harris.
And I'm Katie Houston. Here's a look at some of your top stories on this Friday morning, starting with Ohio's surge in coronavirus cases. We still don't have the full scope of reported cases this week. Ohio reported nearly 7,800 new cases, but the governor says health departments are still working to verify about 12,000 antigen or rapid test results that started backing up on Monday. Typically, they're subjected to a second review, but officials say generally they do hold positive. Starting tomorrow, all Cleveland public library buildings will be closed to the public in an effort to help protect staff and visitors from coronavirus. Curbside and walk-up services, though, are still available. The Cuyahoga County Public Library System made that switch yesterday to just curbside and drive-through only.
Researchers at Case Western are studying how the immune system responds to COVID-19. The School of Medicine has been awarded more than $2.5 million to look into the issue. Doctors have been stumped trying to fully understand why some people show symptoms and others do not, and how the virus is spread. A team of medical investigators will track how early immune responses correlate with symptomatic versus asymptomatic cases. The Greater Cleveland Food Bank wants to make sure that no one goes hungry during the holidays. They put together a list of places where you can get a free hot meal starting tomorrow through the 29th. There are more than a dozen locations across Northeast Ohio, including churches and community centers. The full list is on our News 5 app and also on our website. Now for a check on your weather, here's meteorologist Trent McGill.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice day today. Great Friday. Temperatures back into the low 60s. We'll see some sun. Still a bit gusty. Still going to have some wind to deal with. Not as much as yesterday, but we're still going to have some wind out there, especially for the first half of the day. Second half of the day, things do calm down quite a bit. And that's when we're actually into the low 60s. By lunchtime, about 60, 62 by 2 o'clock, and then cooling things off. Remember, sunset's at about 5 o'clock this time of year. By 6 o'clock, we've dropped into the 50s. We'll wake up tomorrow morning in the 40s, maybe even 30s for some. And we are done making it out of the 40s for days. I'll show you that 7-day coming up.
Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.